guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading!
Hi everyone! So this is chapter 29. I've searched everywhere. I still can't find it. Baka naman kasi yung mo, tatanga-tanga din naman yung madam, yung lady mo. Baka naiwan lang sa bahay. Tapos ngayon lang niya na-remember nung nakasakay na kayo pa uwi. Oh, don't tell me, magsasearch ka dyan. Hindi sa'yo yan, hindi mo personal things yan. Alam ko kay Gujaw yan eh. Kasi basket niya yan eh. Why is there a purse here? Oh, kita mo, nakakita ka lang ng purse ng nangingialam ka na. Hindi yan sa'yo, girl. Isn't this my latest jade pendant and the ring from my young master? Aba ka, nangingialam ka, wala kang pake. Why are they here? It's none of your business. What are you doing? Ayan na. Nangingialam ka kasi. It's rude to touch others' things without permission. Didn't anyone teach you before? Oh, nagalit na si Gu Chao. Gulat siya, no? Gulat ka talaga. Bakit ka kasi nangingialam ng mga gamit na hindi naman sa'yo? It's not yours. What do you mean by other things? You mean these are all yours? She dressed so poorly, so these items can't be hers. Hala, napaka-judgmental. She's so judger. Hey! Walk past. Diba? Galit pa siya. Are you deaf? Can't you hear my question? Aba, napaka-ano nitong babaeng to, katulong lang din naman siya. Turn around. You stole my latest items and now refuse to admit it? Aba, nang-aano ka ha? Hindi ka nga sure kung sa lady mo na yan. Di porket ka parehas. Sa'yo na. Sa kanila na. Ikaw ha. What happened? Ito mga osyosero. You guys come at the right time. This theft has stolen my latest jade pendant. Aba, stolen agad? Hindi mo pa nga sure kung kanya yan. She has even stolen my young master's jade ring too. I'm afraid this might be a misunderstanding. I believe she won't steal anything. Of course, yung Miss Go can always come and go freely. There are so many valuable items and she never even touched them. So how could she possibly steal from someone? O nga naman. Galing-galing ang doktor niyan eh. Ba't naman siya magnanakaw? Naman to. What do you mean by she wouldn't steal? Do you mean I've accused her wrongly? Of course you did. You just did. Ang baka pala maka dito. Who is she? Is she even worth my time to come all the way here to accuse her? Mapapahiya ka din. Kita mo ha. Next chapter, abangan talaga kitang babae ka. Are you sure you've not mistaken? There are many identical things in the world. Oo nga naman. Marami magkakaparehas. Have I mistaken it? Do you think any commoner can have the accessories like the ones of my lady and my young master? Ikaw, napaka-ano mong babae ka ha? This jade pendant is a reward from the palace. Even your whole Hu family may not be able to afford it. Aba, napaka-ano niya. Manda ka talaga mamayang babae ka ha? What? So no imitations are allowed? Perhaps Miss Go's items are fake. No, they aren't fake. They're authentic. Authentic man talaga yan kasi binigay sa kanya yan ni President Lee eh. Listen, see? She has admitted it. Nag-admit na siya kasi totoo naman talaga yan at kanya yan. Di yan sa'yo. Di yan sa lady mo. Yuru. Ito. Tignan natin anong gagawin mo, girl. Baka nagkakamali ka lang kasi baka naiwan mo lang naman sa bahay nyo. Yes, my lady. Amoy perfume si girl. Sige, tingnan natin kung anong aromatic niya siya. Mabaho. Hindi niya gusto. My lady, I found your jade pendant. I've also found our young master's jade ring. These rowdy girls stole them. No? Aba, stole agad para nakita mo lang, hinakaw na niya agad. Sure ka? Sneeze. Napaatsyo kasi mabaho yung perfume. Let me help you hang this jade pendant. Ba, hindi ka nga sure kung sa kanya talaga yan. Kapal na mukha nito. Why did you bow at sight of my lady? And how dare you sneeze so rudely? A commoner will always be a commoner and never know proper etiquette. Wala, grabe itong katulong na to. Napaka-judgmental talaga. Ayoko sa mga ganyang tao. Mababa ang tingin sa iba. There's no way this jade pendant is a fake. The jade is of the finest quality in Zhao country. And only the royal family has the right to mine it. So kayo lang may karapatan, ganon. It's a felony to forge something the royal family uses, not to mention the difficulty of replicating it is so precisely. Oh? Tapos, anong point mo ngayon? Parang wala. Ayaw niyo makinig. You must be the doctor's assistant, right? Yes. Assistant lang yung tingin niyo sa kanya. Hindi niyo alam. Siya yung doctor. Oh my goodness. Don't judge kasi. I can give you the jade pendant, but you must return the jade ring to me. I'll pretend that all this never happened. My lady! Aba, nagiging ano ka pa ha? Mapagmataas ka pa ha? The jade pendant is mine. You can have it if you like it. However, the jade ring is my brother's. I have to take it back and return it to him. Wala naman siyang sinabing wag, di ba? You can have the jade ring, but give me back the jade pendant. Oo nga naman, kasi sa kanya yan. Kaya kukunin niya talaga yan. How dare you, lowly commoner? How dare you disrespect my lady? Kanya nga yan, hindi nga yan sa'yo. You sure are good at picking items. This jade ring has a special meaning for my brother. However, the jade pendant is much more valuable than ring. I'm returning the jade ring to you because it indeed belongs to your brother. But that jade pendant is mine, so please return it to me. Of course, kanya man talaga yan. What makes you think it belongs to you? Ito na naman to katulong na to. Go and take a look in the mirror. How can you afford to wear such an expensive jade pendant? Miss, please mind your words. Oo nga naman, napaka-ano mo ha. I can't force you guys to believe me. I'll say this one last time. Give me back the jade pendant. Oo nga, kasi ganun sa kanya naman talaga yan. Tanga lang siguro kayo mo, kagibilin ninyo yung jade pendant sing asa. Yung patakag panangil ha. How dare you? Hala, katulong lang siya, mananapak siya. Anong tignan natin? Anong gagawin niya? Grab. Ayun, nasampal ka tuloy. Mali ka ng kinalaban, girl. Puti nga sa'yo. Napaka mapagmataas mo ha. Katulong ka lang naman. Mas ano ka din, katulad lang ka lang din ng commoner. Snatch. Oh, kinuha niya yung jade pendant. You. Wipe. O, diba? Pinunasan niya. Is she hinting that I've dirtied the pendant? Ganun talaga. Call the authorities. Di ba? Tawag ka pa ng authorities. Ikaw din mapapahiya, girl. Who wants to call the authorities? Sino to? Sino tong dumating? Are you the one who requested it? Si President. Who are you? Ito naman. Di na naman kilala tapos magmatapang. I'm the president of Tianxiang Academy. May I know what's going on and why are you so furious, miss? Diba? Ikaw kasi, masangil mong kadayon. Mr. President Lee? The President Lee enjoys a high reputation in the capital. Why is he helping a commoner like her? Puro kayo commoner. Ano ba naman tong mga ladylike na ito? Akala ko ba, napaka-respected nyo, but the way you judge others, napaka-questionable. Anyway, that's the end of the chapter. Let's see on the next chapter what will happen. Okay? Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Thank you for reading with me, everyone.